we will practice limit more and more. Now one thing that I am very super excited to be live with you today. If you are joining me first time, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. This channel is all about helping you succeed in your math or science exam. Today live session is all about limit and that will be very helpful. So stay tuned. In today's session, I'm going to cover limit in calculus and also I'll take you some question at the end, so that feel free to drop in the chat anytime. And before diving, let me know in the chat where you are from watching and which exam you are preparing for. Let's get to know each other. The first question we have, that is limit here, limit x tends to infinity 2x tan 1 upon x. This problem we are going to cover here. So this is what we should have this one in this way, that is I can write this one 2 tan, then I can write 1 by x, 1 by x, so here 1 upon x, and this x can be written as 1 by x. So we have a one proper condition, that is x tends to infinity we have. So what I can do, I can put this 2 outside and I can write limit x tends to infinity, then tan 1 upon x and divided by 1 upon x. Now I can easily say that this can be written as 2 and tan infinity. Here 1 by infinity is what, 0, and here what, 1 by infinity is 0, so we have a what, 1 here, so I can write 2, and this is the solution here, 2. Okay, so we have this result. Now we are going to have another question, that is limit x tends to infinity, limit x tends to infinity over here, and we have x plus sin x plus 1 divided by x plus cos x here. So what I can do here, I'll have this one x, so I'm taking x common, so I have 1, and then I have sin x by x plus 1 by x divided by, I'm also taking common x, यहाँ से x common करेंगे, then I will be having 1 and then cos x by x हो जाएगा. Kellen Parker, hi. Apple Eater, hi everyone. Hi everyone. chicken nugget. App. Hello, hello everyone. Let's start our today practice on the behalf of limit. Here x cancel, limit x tends to infinity. So we have 1 plus sine x by x. 1 plus sine x by x. This is what infinity. Here x tends to infinity. So what I need to do? I need to first put x as, let x as 1 by y. If x tends to infinity, then I can write this y as 1 by x. So y tends to 0. If x tends to infinity, I can write y tends to 0. So here we have, I can just write here infinity. So I can write here this will be some real value, but I need to change this one. Limit y tends to 0. I can write 1 plus sine x is going to change by 1 by y. 1 by y plus x is what here changed. So 1 by x is y divided by 1 plus cos 1 by y and 1 by y over here. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 1 by y. लिखने के बाद हमारे पास रिजल्ट जो है क्या आता है, y को अगर हम यहाँ पर 0 कर दे तो ये क्या हो गया हमारा, ये 0, ये इन्फिनिटी, ये कुछ वैल्यू देगा राइट. ये मैक्सिमम 1 तक ही जाएगा. ये 0 हो गया हमारा और ये हमारा 1 1 प्लस 1 2 और ये 1 plus 1 2. So here we have 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 2 by 2 cancel 1. 1 इसका आंसर आ गया. Okay, we go for another one. Do practice with me and all your loneliness will disappear. Let this question, we have limit x tends to infinity. We have limit x tends to infinity, then 1 plus 1 by x power x. So we know that one concept ax, we know that one concept, that is suppose e to the power x is equal to ex log a. This variable is here, this constant is here. In the same way we have this one 1 plus x variable, and this there is a power here. So I can write this one as e this variable x, right, log, and this base is here 1 plus 1 by x. 1 plus 1 by x I can write easily. Then I have one thing, that is e to the power x into log 1 plus 1 by x. So this is, ये इसको सॉल्व करेंगे हम लोग. Okay, look here, I can write e to the power I have x, a limit I'm using the same way, limit x tends to infinity, a limit x tends to infinity e to the power x, and then ये लिख सकते हैं log 1 plus x, log 1 plus x. So this is what 1 by x minus 2 1 by x whole square plus 1 by 3 1 by x cube minus, and then dot and dot dot dot. So dot dot होता चला जाएगा. राइट. अब जो है I can take 1 by x common from all in the next step. So limit x tends to infinity, e to the power x, और यहाँ से कॉमन ले रहा हूँ 1 by x. सो 1 by x मैंने कॉमन लिया, रेस्ट 1 by 2, 1 by x प्लस 1 by 3, 1 by x स्क्वायर माइनस डॉट 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 x कैंसिल. ओके, e to the power 1 माइनस 1 by x हो गया 1 by 3, 1 by x का स्क्वायर डॉट डॉट डॉट. क्लियर. अब देखिए यहाँ पर लिमिट लगा देंगे. वी विल जस्ट अप्लाई लिमिट ओवर हियर. आफ्टर पुटिंग द लिमिट, व्हाट वी कैन से दैट in the corner due motivation. Okay, limit x tends to infinity. So this term is what 1, and this is what infinity, 1 by 2 into 1 by infinity, same 3 and 1 by infinity minus dot dot dot. So this is coming here 1 minus here 1 by infinity plus 1 by 3, 1 by infinity, and so on. So we have here e to the power e to the power 1 minus 0 plus 0 and so and so. तो ये जो है इसका 16. The answer is what? E to the power 1, that is E. This is the answer of this problem. Okay, we'll have another problem based on this. We can solve here. A to the power x, concept is that if a to the power x, we know that it is ex log a. The variable will be just exponent of e, and the constant is log a here. Log a is here. So we have one question. The limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity, then 1 plus 1 by 2 to the power n, then n. Okay, so this can be write as e to the power this variable n, and then log 1 plus 1 by 2n. A limit is same, n tends to infinity. Then e to the power n, this can be write as 1 plus 1 plus, this is the first 1 plus 1 by 2n is written over here in this way. 1 by 2n minus 2, 1 by 2n squared, then plus minus plus minus. Similarly 1 by 2n power cube minus, and so and so and so and so.
Hello Moto.
Then limit n tends to infinity. Here we have n, and I'm taking 1 by 2n common. So we have 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2n plus 1 by 3.
Hello.
1 by 3, 1 by 2n, and then a square minus dot dot dot. N cancel. Limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity, then e to the power 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2n plus 1 by 3, 1 by 2n square and minus Okay, now after putting this infinity, you will see that this term 1 by 2n is going to be 0, and this is 0. So this is what e to the power 1 minus 0 plus 0 and 0, so on. So it is what e is the solution of this problem. And now 1 by 2 is remain over here, 1 by 2. So we have 1 by 2 power 1 by 2, that is root under e. This is the solution. We can have another problem based on this. Let's do it here. I have one pen. So we have one problem, and this is here. Limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity we have, and we have 1 minus 1 by x power 2x. Power is what? 2x. So then we can write this one as limit n tends to infinity, and we have here like a to the power x. So this is what e x. So this variable is 2x ex log, and this is what 1 minus 1 by x over here. Now, so this is what variable I need to solve this one.
Hello,
I need to solve this one. So here limit n tends to infinity, I can write e to the power 2x, and I can solve this one. This is what 1 minus x. 1 minus x it is. So I can have this formula. Okay, and based on this formula we can solve if this is first term, positive or negative. So I just put here minus 1 by x, this term, then okay, minus 1 by 2, and this term minus 1 by x squared, then plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by x power 3 negative, and so on. So I can write so and so. So you will see that here I'm just taking negative 1 by x, or I can take x only. So e to the power 2x, I can take 1 by x. Minus is already there, I can take also minus, no problem. 1 minus, everything is went, nothing remain here, 1 is there, so 1, and this minus is just taken out, so it is plus 1 by 2, and 1 by x is taken, so minus 1 by x plus is 0. It is what minus 1 by x is taken out, you know this is what negative minus 1 by x I am taken here. So we have here 1 by 3 and minus 1 by x squared negative dot dot dot. This x cancels, so we have e to the power minus 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by x plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by x squared minus dot dot dot. Limit is as it is, no change to limit. Now we are very close to our answer. Okay, that is, if I put x tends to infinity here, infinity, it will be 0. This term is going to be vanished, it is 0. So let's put infinity. So this term and this term is what? 1 by infinity is 0. This is 0. So we have e to the power negative 2. So this is the solution. E to the power negative 2 minus 2 is the solution of this problem. You know, thank you so much for today's session. We have this much question, and here I use this formula e to the power x, that is e to the power x log a, and I can resolve this one in this format, e to the power x and then log a. Log a is there, so this log a is what, like 1 plus 0, or this one. So I can just split this one more, and then I can solve it. So this one is the solution. Okay, today this much only, right? Thank you for being with me. We'll see in the next session with limit. Thank you. Bye bye. Be happy, stay safe.